Hello, my name is Elliott, and today we're gonna draw Doodle Bob from SpongeBob. Here's a Doodle Bob picture I've already done. It looks almost exactly like him. Today we're gonna do the exact same thing I did. We're gonna use this pencil first and just draw Doodle Bob out, and then we're gonna use the Sharpie to outline it. And also I have this eraser. Let's get started. So let's draw Doodle Bob. First, let's draw the square that Doodle Bob has. It's a little bit wavy, but not too wavy, but it's, you don't have to draw Doodle Bob. Doodle Bob is not perfect. So I'm just gonna draw, it doesn't matter what it looks like. It doesn't matter, it's supposed to look like it just looks like see, it's like a little bit wavy, but not that it, see that it looks like it does not look that good. That's because Doodle Bob is not perfect. And there's his pants. So I'm gonna draw a triangle. This is not a collar, this is the tie. Then draw a diamond shape for the tie. And then draw two little feet coming out. They're like backwards L's. I don't know, but they look like backwards L's. So, so now I'm gonna have his eyeball. Now, one eyeball is gonna be like this big, and one eyeball is gonna be a little bit bigger. It's gonna be right about right here. And then 3 eyelashes on each one. You can see that the eyelashes can keep they look like they're getting bigger. And this one is just regular. It doesn't get bigger or anything. There's one eye, or the thing in the eyeball, and then there's one at the bottom. He's kind of weird, and then his nose, all his nose is just like a circle. And then he's got an oval shaped mouth. He's like, blah, blah, blah. I don't know how he talks, but he talks really weirdly. And then his arm comes out, and then there's his fingers. They're I don't know. It's it looks like 3 fingers, but cartoons are supposed to have 3 fingers and 1 thumb. But that one, I don't see a thumb. And then the other one. I'm gonna do that other eye over there. I'm gonna come right back and I'll have that eye done. So there's the Doodle Bob that I have right now. It's kind of weird from does it look very familiar to this one? Maybe it does. Also, I shaded in the mouth, and I'm done with that other eye. I think I'm done, but yeah. Now I'm just gonna put dots all around the thing because it's like it's paper and it's got kind of like a little bit of dots, a few dots on it. I think we're done now. Now what I'm gonna do is draw it in Sharpie. Do is take this eraser and just erase all over it so we can like get rid of the erasing stuff, and then it will look like plain. I might do another tutorial on how to draw Doodle Bob one day. That is how to draw Doodle Bob from SpongeBob. This is the first tutorial of Doodle Bob, so if you wanna check out my other videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a big thumbs up, and you can comment down below. And you can tell me which Doodle Bob you like better, this Doodle Bob or this Doodle Bob. If you want me to draw the best to this Doodle Bob that I've drawn earlier, then I could draw that in a different video. But this is the very first tutorial I've ever done. of Doodle Bob on my YouTube channel. Okay, and make sure you subscribe. And I really want you to check out my other video. I'm going to make some more videos about it. There's tutorials about SpongeBob. Well, I think I only have like 1 or 2, but yeah. I might draw Patrick. I'm gonna probably draw Patrick one day, and it's gonna be one day. It is definitely gonna be one day, and on that day, I might on the day I draw Patrick, I might even do some other videos. And if you want to check out more videos, please subscribe for my YouTube channel. And I really, really want you to subscribe to Stories by Elliott. Bye!